Hi, thank you so much for joining us at Rallyhood. Today I'm going to be taking you inside of a hub environment. I am using my Rallyhood demo user dashboard. Here you will see all of the communities that my demo user is connected with. If you look at the small icons on each of the tiles, you will see one that resembles a family tree or an org chart with the circle at the top and 3 circles branching off of it. This indicates a hub environment. You will see another icon that looks like 3 people standing together. This represents a rally environment. Let's go into my Forest North Service Unit hub. On the main landing page of the hub, you will see a header with the number of rallies, number of members, when the hub was created, and your permissions within the hub. In the horizontal navigation bar, there are several menu option tabs. All of these options are the same as those in an individual rally, except for the Groups tab, which is unique to the hub environment. When you click on the Groups tab, it will display all of the rallies underneath that hub. In this example, you can see that this Forest North Service Unit holds 8 rallies. The hub serves as an umbrella to keep all of the related rally groups and subgroups housed together in the same ecosystem of communication and collaboration. Unlike other community platforms, Rallyhood provides infinite nesting of groups and subgroups within an organization. That means you can scale with your team over time as you grow and easily map to the unique needs and structures of your organization. At the hub level, you are able to communicate, share, and store information and content with all the hub admins. You also have the ability to push down communications and content to individual rallies, to a few or to all of them at once within that hub umbrella. It's a super easy and efficient way to send targeted information to a handful of rallies or mass communicate to all the rallies within a hub. Let's get into some examples. In Message Wall, we can share what's happening, ask for ideas, cross-pollinate learnings. In Calendar, you can create and share hub-level meetings, activities, and events. Special events, you can create hub-level events. In your gallery, you can create photo albums and share photos from current events and past events. In your files, you can store, organize files into folders, and share helpful documents and forms. In links, you can create pinboards with helpful ideas and information. In signups, you can create and share signups for events, time slots, and more. In Friends, you can see each member's role and permissions within the hub. When you click on the ellipses or the 3 dots, you can private message, you can remove this person from the hub, or you can change their roles. If you go down to this demo user here, you can make this user a rally owner, or you can make this user a rally friend, so you can change their permissions or roles within that hub. If you would like to go back to your hubs, click on Groups on your navigation bar. Additionally, if you're looking to go back to your landing page or your Rallyhood dashboard, click on the Rallyhood icon on the left-hand corner, and this will bring you back to your Rallyhood dashboard. We hope that you found this information to be super helpful at your time here at Rallyhood. We thank you for joining us. If you have any tech troubleshooting questions about our Rallyhood desktop or mobile app experience, please feel free to contact us at support@rallyhood.com.